People, today we are going to make a very successful moi moi. Wifey here has been insisting on the moi moi making process, and she has somehow co-opted me into the process. So, wifey, how do you feel about your?
Why you not troublesome? You're just troublesome.
So, people, she is insisting on her troublesomeness. So, let us go to the kitchen and see how far with the moi moi. You guys are coming with us as usual. People, wifey is here complaining that I want to use all the beans to cook the moi moi. I don't know what her problem is, but anyhow.
Why can't you just put everything inside pot?
She said I want to. She said I want to chop everything.
Everything at once.
Hey God, see the problem I'm facing. Let's go and check the ingredients. We shall be using an already peeled beans that wifey got from one African store like that. We shall be using this fish. Wifey has already pre-boiled and frozen the fish. We're going to use this stuff. This is the onions that we have cut, another fish water, and then over here we have minced meat. Ow, it's already smoking hot. Minced meat that we put one small maggi, and finally we shall also use this extra virgin oil. Of course, we are going to put one or two pepper and one or two rishis that we are going to find around the place, but you know, well, we don't have time to look for those now, so we'll come back to you later.
Dance Marquito, give me that vibe, we go sweet like Tito. Body they bounce like it's torpedo. Tonight we they run, I'm no mosquito. Dance Marquito, shy they flow like we hit casino. She said she won't go where the beat go. Then a vibe go be so. Step in the scene, everybody they look. Fine girl, they read me like book. She they wine slow, they catch like hook. Afrobeat steady cook, make you know they shook. Lights they blink, but now we they shine. She say my love sweet like palm wine. No long talk, baby, no decline. Make we dance, time no day for sign. Slowly, gently come to the middle. Your body they sing like Afro fiddle. From Lagos down to Port Harcourt, we they groove with pepper, no salt. Ebelebe move, she they drop like pro. 1-2 step, then she go low. DJ run and back, make it no slow. Tonight we dey fly, no need for pro. Makito, she call my name. Say I dey bust her brain like flame. Anywhere I go now, so them hail. I dey steady cruise, no fit derail. Whistle they blow, but I no red card. She say the vibe mad, make we go backyard. I'm on this night now, 100 bar. No retreat, no surrender. Makito, she call my name. Say I dey bust her brain like flame. Anywhere I go now, so them hail. I dey steady cruise, no fit derail. Whistle they blow, but I no red card. She say the vibe mad, make we go backyard. I'm on this night now, 100 bar. No retreat, no surrender. Step in the scene, everybody they look. Fine girl, they read me like book. She they wine slow, he they catch like hook. Afrobeat steady cook, make you know they shook. Lights they blink, but now we they shine. She say my love sweet like palm wine. No long talk, baby, no decline. Make we dance time, no day for sign. Slowly, gently come to the middle. Your body they sing like Afro fiddle. From Lagos down to Port Harcourt, we they groove with pepper, no salt. With belebe move, she they drop like pro. 1-2 step, then she go low. DJ run and back, make it no slow. Tonight we they fly, no need for pro. Makito, she call my name. Say I dey bust her brain like flame. Anywhere I go now, so them hail. I dey steady cruise, no fit derail. Whistle they blow, but I no red card. She said the vibe mad, make we go backyard. I'm on this night now, 100 bar. No retreat, no surrender.
One of the unfortunate things we discovered was that this blender did not blend these beans to our satisfaction. It was having lots of seeds at the end. In fact, at some point, we even had to pour it back in the blender and reblend some part of it. And wifey kept on complaining that it's not smooth. People, the matter got out of hand. The beans remained very plenty. We remained some, so it's like this is what we're going to do for tomorrow. First of all, the blender deceived us. It deceived us so seriously. It's almost blending. In order for us to check on that. We'll now some solid seed of beans. But I was calling you now. Anyway, people, Moi Moi is finally in the oven. We're supposed to wait a few minutes. After that, we shall now see how it is, and then we'll now see how it turned out. It's not really exactly what we exactly planned, but it should be fine. People, I don't think we put salt. I don't think we put salt. Oh, we need to go and investigate. Jesus. We are done. The Moi Moi is finally ready. So we left it to cook for about 45 minutes. I'm not sure. And then we left it to cook for about 45 minutes. Then we left it to cool down for about an hour or 2 hours or thereabout. And you can see. Let us go and check out what it looks like. Come and see. Oh my goodness. We are people. There you go. Making sense. Like federal government money. This one will use it for 1 week.
Sure.
So people, hold on. People, wifey is about to cut the cake. Sorry, the Moi Moi. Oh yeah, wifey, carry on. Just cut once more, please. She has cut the footing.
I get this. Let me see. I hope this tastes nice. Let me just see. Oh, that's okay. But no salt.
What?
There's no salt. But it's okay. Yummy.
People, wifey is liking her husband's Moi Moi today, so that she's about to finish it. Oh yeah, will you feed me? You feed me now.
It's nice.
This is making sense, Mama. The salt would have been better, but it still makes sense.
Okay.
So people, we have come to the end of our cooking exploration. Tomorrow we shall go and cook something else, but for today we have some Moi Moi to verify. So we shall be seeing you guys later. Oh, let us verify the Moi Moi.
Oh yeah, dance, make we scatter the floor.